Good morning, children. Today I am here with a new activity. Last week we had activity made by waste items like plastic spoons. This time I am showing activity to decorate your home walls. And not only on the wall, even you can decorate this on the mirrors. Even mirrors also you can decorate this. For this activity, not more items are needed. Very less items are needed to complete this activity. It's a simple activity, but it takes time to do this activity. We need to concentrate on the drawing and cutting also. First we need to cut very neatly. So this is the activity which I am doing today. The items which we need, I'll show you one by one. To complete this activity, we need a A4 size paper, white sheet and one black chart paper, scissor, pencil, eraser and one Fevicol to stick this all pieces of whatever drawing we did. To stick up that we need a Fevicol. First, this A4 size paper we need to keep aside. This is only to stick the picture on the white paper. We'll take a black chart. We'll draw a drawing here. See here. Whatever picture I have showed before you, that only I am going to draw now. These drawings you have to do very neatly so that it looks very nice. Not only this picture, children, you can do any other picture also which you like very much. I like this. I'm doing this. Any other picture if you like, you can make the drawing of that and you can do the picture. See here. Yes, children, I have completed this half of the picture. I have completed of drawing. After drawing, what I'll do is I'll cut this pieces. To cut this pieces, I'll take a scissor and I'll start cutting this. While cutting, children, be careful. The shape of the leaf or flower, it should be neat so that picture looks. See here, I have cutted this leaf first. Next, one more leaf I'll cut. Yes, children. I'll cut this all pieces, whatever leaves, flowers, circles, whatever are there. I'll cut this. We'll arrange. Yes, children, all the pieces, whatever, all the leaves, bird, flower, whatever are there, I have cutted that. Before sticking, I need to set these all things. I have arranged all the pieces here. I have not stick this. First we need to arrange by seeing our picture, whatever we want to do the drawing. After seeing that, we have to arrange this. I have arranged slowly one piece I'll take. I'll apply glue or Fevicol or gum, whatever it might be. I'll apply and I'll start sticking here. See here. Slowly arrange. After arranging, take one piece and you arrange it. Yes, children, I have arranged all these things, all the pieces here. Now it is completely complete. This picture is completed here. I think you have enjoyed this video. I have completed this. Very simple it is. You can draw any other picture also and you can stick it up on your walls. If you want to hang this activity, if you want to hang this art, what you need to do is this below this white sheet you need to keep a chart, this cardboard piece. After keeping this, after sticking this white A4 size paper on a cardboard, just you tie a thread here to hang the art, this art. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Next week we'll come with a new activity. Thank you.